To tease or not to tease? That's the question. This question popped up in a group that I'm in of garden center owners and managers. These are people that are planting thousands or millions of plants a year into combo plants and hanging baskets. And the question is, do you tease the roots? Or do you just take it and pop it in? Tease? No tease. What's the right way? This was probably the most heated topic I've seen in that group in a long time, because there were people from both sides and both were very convinced that their way was the right way. I would imagine that most home gardeners and hobbyists are going to be team tease. One, because they have time to do it because they're not planting thousands and thousands of plants in a row all day. And also for most people, whenever you open up a pot and you see circling roots, you think that's probably not good for the plant. But I would be willing to bet that almost every hanging basket or combination pot did not have the roots teased, because when you're in production mode in a greenhouse, those extra 10 seconds that you take to tease the roots can cost you tons of lost production time whenever you are planting plants over and over all day, every day. Greenhouse production looks like this. And on to the next one. I mean, it's that fast. And really, that's the reality of those hanging baskets and patio pots that you find in the stores. They are done as quickly as possible without teasing any roots. And these are short-lived annuals we're talking about here. And so there's really no reason to tease the roots. They will still root out just fine. They're not gonna have any problems with girdling roots like a woody tree would have. And so there's really no detriment to doing this. Now let's talk about the detriment of teasing roots that could possibly happen. If you take a plant out of its pot and immediately start teasing the roots, or even worse, breaking roots, then what you're doing is opening up places where bacteria and disease can infiltrate this plant's root system. Is that going to happen every time? No, of course not. You can get away with teasing a root plants a lot of times and not have any problem at all. But in my opinion, on short-lived plants that are only going to be there for a season, there is no need to tease the roots at all, because you could be breaking roots that are important for uptake of nutrients or allowing diseases to get into your plants. Now, trees are another story. If you take a tree out of its container and you see that it has any circling roots that could potentially girdle the tree in the future, those are going to need to be dealt with immediately so that way they don't get worse in the future. But even that is an exceedingly rare problem to have when it comes to container-grown trees. So tease if you want to, but in my opinion, no need to.